Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, Infinite Starter. So in this anime story, there are mech robots and only girls can pilot them. Yeah, most of the time I mean. But for some reason, our main character found one of those mech robots and managed to activate them. And that's how he got involved with this mech business. So now, starting in this anime, he gonna start going to a school to learn about this mech robots. But the thing is that it's a all girls school. So in this school, our main character gonna find lot of girls and some of them are very interested in our main character. So mainly there are 5 girls who are super interested in our main character. So he gonna get to do some pretty good stuff with them. Other than that, you're gonna see some mech battles, but who really cares about that? Yeah, harem, all we want. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Restaurant to the Another World. So this one, it's a kinda sweet, kinda peaceful type of story about a restaurant. So in this restaurant, there are many people who came to eat there. So it's all about how they find this restaurant and what gonna happen after that. And while eating on that restaurant, they also gonna talk about their life stories, what they achieve in life, their sad moments and all of that stuff. So this restaurant present in a different dimension and in time it keeps changing its location. Because of that, those people who came to eat here, they are some big shot people. And in their adventure, they somehow managed to find the restaurant. So it's a really good peaceful story. Definitely check it out. So the next one I'm gonna talk about is Tenchi Muyo. So in this anime story, our main character got kidnapped and they took our main character to a different world. If our main character gonna help them to kill someone, they gonna let him go. So without any choice, he decided to do it. But the princess he's supposed to kill, she found out about our main character and she took our main character as a hostage. But then she found out our main character have a special ability. So in this world, girls can control these mech robots and for some reason our main character also can control them. That's why she took our main character to a special school where he can learn about those mech robots with the princess and few other girls. So the next included anime I'm gonna talk about is How Not to Summon a Demon Lord. So in this anime story, our main character likes to play a MMORPG game. So his character became super strong in that game. So his character is so strong, he decided he gonna become a demon lord inside of that game. So starting in this anime, it's in another world, 2 girls performing a ritual to summon a demon lord. So they gonna summon a demon lord and gonna make that demon lord their slave. But the obvious thing happened, they summoned our main character from inside of that game. They also tried to make our main character their slave, but because of his power, it's got reversed and they became our main character's slave. So now our main character in this anime have 2 really good looking female slaves. So what he gonna do with them? Not much really. He gonna protect them. So it's about our main character's story, how he gonna protect both of them and gonna do stuff with them too. Yeah, to know all of that, you have to watch the anime obviously. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is This a Zombie? So in this anime story, our main character, one day he tried to investigate something in someone else's house. And on that house, someone killed our main character. But next day, he was perfectly fine, other than one thing, that he turned into a zombie. So after he died, our heroine, she did something and changed our hero to a zombie. After a while, our hero also gonna turn into a magical girl. With this zombie and magical girl powers, our hero gonna try to save our heroine from someone. So who this someone is and why he trying to harm our heroine? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Island. So in this anime story, our main character, one day he found himself naked on an island beach. So at first he doesn't really remember anything about his past. So other than our main character's past, this island itself, it's kinda suspicious. So in past, something happened in this island. Because of that, everyone is suffering from misfortune. So that's why three big families in this island, they cut off all of the ties from the main island, and three girls from their families trying to do something about it. So now what's the connection with our main character and the island? So what this misfortune is and what our heroine's gonna do? To find out, you have to watch the anime obviously. So it's a decent one, you can try it out and judge it yourself. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video, but the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on, so you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch, and see you in the next one.